Hello. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you how you can set up navigation menus for your website that are targeted to your subscribers, your paying subscribers, and to your non-subscribers, to everyone who visits your website. So if you're using the ChamaWP plugin, you're going to be setting up some menu options, some pages that are available to everyone, and some pages that are not available to everyone, that are behind a paywall. So how can you set up those navigation menus using whatever WordPress theme you're using? The cool thing about ChamaWP, it allows you to set that up on any theme that you're using. So let me just show you how you would do that. So just let's take a quick look at my website right now. It currently does not have any navigation menu. So let's fix that right now. So in WordPress, all you would have to do is go to the appearance menu and then the appearance and then the menus option here. Okay, so the thing that we're going to have to do is first create the default menu that appears when nobody is logged in. So this is the menu that will be available to everyone, irrespective of whether they're a member or not. So let's go ahead and just set that up. Menu for everyone, and let's go ahead and put that in this section. Now the thing to note about ChamaWP, it will add in menu locations that are labeled as logged in and logged out automatically to whichever theme that is being used. So for example, I'm using, let me just show you quickly, let's just exit out of this. So I'm using the Hello Elementor theme. Now by default, if I was to go back to appearance menus, by default it has only these two, header and footer. And then what ChamaWP will do is it will add in automatically to these two main menu settings: the header logged in, the footer logged in, the header logged out, and the footer logged out. So let's say now I wanted to add in a menu that will be displayed in the header for logged in users and logged out users. So let's say menu logged in. Okay, and then just make sure to check this option, header logged in, and then just click create menu. Okay, all right, let's change this. It should be logged in, then save menu. Okay, so this is only for logged in users. So if I go ahead and say I want to display a few of these pages, so I want to display, let's click on the view all. I want the home page to be added to this menu, so just click on add. And what else would I want to be displayed? I want the ChamaWP menu to be displayed. Okay, and let's say, and I also want the account page. So if I wanted users to be able to access the account pages, I'll just add that in and then click add to menu. And I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh yes, you also want to give your users the ability to add to log out of the website. So to do that, you will need to add what is called a custom link, and you would need to give it a specific label. So to do that, just expand this custom link section here, and then make sure that the link text says logout. It has to be logout, otherwise it will not work. And then for the link, let's say just put in the home page link. I think that should work. I just copied my domain name, and then I just pasted it in here, and I think that you should be good to go on that. So just add to menu and just click save menu. Okay, so that's the menu that's going to be displayed when any visitor to your website is logged in. Now what about if they're logged out? You do the same process. Let's create a new menu, click on the create new menu, and then name it menu logged out, and then make sure you put it in the header logged out section, and then create menu. Okay, and then you just add items to the menu. So click on view all. I'm just going to add in home, and what am I going to add? I'm going to add in the hub page, and then I'm going to add in the login page, and that's it. So you even wanted to add in the membership sign up page, let's just add that in just so for demo purposes. Okay, and then just click on save menu. Okay, so if I now go to the front end of the website, if I do a refresh, you notice that the menu now shows up. So there's the home, hub, and membership and login. Now if I was a user and I wanted to log in, I would just click on login and then type in password, and click login. Okay, and you notice that the menu now changed to show home, hub, account, and logout. Okay, if I go to account, it will show my account page. If I go to hub, it will show the hub for ChamaWP. All right, and if I wanted to log out, I can just click on log out, and I'll be logged out, and it will show this page, the new menu, the menu for logged out users. It's just that simple. All right, and just to make sure that I give you a good idea of how this works, I'm going to switch to a different theme, so you just have a good understanding of how this works. And so I wanted to use the to check a theme. Let's go ahead and add that in. So let's add theme, type in to check it. Okay, install. All right, and this should work, I believe. Let's see, will this work? If I do an activate. Okay, so this works. All right, so we've set up the to check it theme. Now, if I go to, you notice that the okay, so it's already set up to, I'm going to have to change the menu for this. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and change this. Let's go ahead and change. It's showing the menu settings that we had set up for the Hello Elementor theme. Let's go ahead and go to menus. Okay. And let's go ahead and set up the menus that we'd created. Let's use, you notice that first and foremost, you will notice that the to check a theme comes with this primary menu option, menu setting. And then ChamaWP will add in automatically primary logged in and primary logged out. So for the logged out menu, I'm going to set that to the primary logged out section and just click on save. Let's just do that. Click save menu. Okay. And then for the logged in, if I just do a select, I'm going to make sure that this is shown only when somebody is logged in, for the primary logged in, and then I just click on save menu. So let's make sure it's working. So primary logged out, select. Okay, so if I go to the front end and do a refresh, okay, there you go. It shows the menu options for somebody who's logged out. And if I was to log back in, it shows me the menu for users that are logged in. Okay, so it is just that simple. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out or comment in the description, in the comment section below this video. All right.